Good evening, my dear students. Course 1.1.5 আজকে আমরা যেটা আলোচনা করব সেটা হচ্ছে ডিসিপ্লিন অ্যান্ড স্কুল সাবজেক্ট। ডিসিপ্লিন অ্যান্ড স্কুল সাবজেক্ট। Our today's lesson is discipline disciplines and school subjects. School subjects are to be differentiated from the disciplines, although the two terms are related. School subjects are to be differentiated from the disciplines, although the two terms are related. School subject as a something which gives meaning to curriculum content, teaching and learning activities. School subject as something which gives meaning. Number 1, meaning. Number 2, curriculum. Meaning to curriculum. Meaning to curriculum. Content. Number 3, content. Number 4, teaching. Number 5, learning. Teaching, learning, activities. So okay, school subject defined school subject as something which gives meaning to curriculum content, teaching and learning activities. A school subject is an area of learning within the school curriculum that constitute as institutionally defined field of knowledge and practice for teaching and learning. Thus, the school subject is knowledge selected from different domains and included in the curriculum. The knowledge base of a particular subject is selected from the related discipline depending on the educational policies of the institution and the authorized and the relevant teaching learning practice. The selection of the topic of a subject takes into consideration the level of maturity of the students so that their thought matter is appropriate for them. The content of the subject is also arranged keeping in mind the requirement of an effective teaching learning process and pedagogy. The traditional school subject are language, mathematics, science, history, geography, etc. Okay. Most of these are compulsory taught. However, along with traditional subjects, new subjects are introduced in school as aims and objectives of school education change. These have organized not for paradigmatic discipline, rather for applied branches of discipline. The example of such subjects are tourism, hospitality, management, even fashion design, etc. The fundamental difference between school subject and discipline is the role of research and development. The research are constitutionally undertaken to modify and generate new theories. Of course, school subjects also continue to develop and change with curriculum revision, continue to develop and change with curriculum revision, but it in this case the process is slower and conducting research is not the direct purpose of teaching school subject. Okay, thank you.